YouTube, this is Inga Simone. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. If you are new here, please subscribe, like, comment on this video. Today I am going to do an unboxing. I just subscribed to this beauty box. It's called the Beem Box. It's a Black-owned beauty subscription box catered to Black women. I just subscribed like maybe April 18th, and I received my box yesterday on the 26th. So it took like a week to get here after I subscribed. It came in the mail, packed up like this. So I'm gonna open it now. Get some scissors. I'm excited. Okay, oh, I'm seeing some purple. Okay. Ooh, this is pretty. So this is how the box is looking. Beem Box. Beam from within. Okay. Alright, let's see what's inside. Comes with this card here. Your Beem Box has arrived. So typically when you get a box, there's like 5 to 6 full-size items with either makeup or skincare. So every other month you receive a box. And it's, how much is it? I think it's like $39.95 every other month, plus a $5 shipping fee. So there are 5 things in this box. Okay, let's see. Ooh, an eyeshadow palette. Okay, there we go. It's a matte eyeshadow palette. What is this? Okay. It's saying Fire Earth Matte Eyeshadow from Wanderlust Beauty. But this doesn't say Wanderlust. What the heck? It says, okay, there's like a different name on here. It's like Aquiline. I'm probably butchering it, but hold on, let's see what it looks like. Ooh, okay, and it has a mirror too? Okay. I like these colors. Okay, giving me earth tones. That's the first item. Okay, what's next here? Something from Rock Chick? And it's matte. What is it? This is a... Oh, is this a lip? Is this a lippy? Oh, it's a lippy. Ooh. I like this color. Hold on, let me swatch it. Okay. That's this color. I like this color. This is pretty. Okay, Rock Chick. I've never heard of these brands. And I think all of the brands that they send to you are cruelty-free, like, let's see, cruelty-free, vegan, and woman-owned businesses. So, okay. All right, what's the next thing? I'm liking everything so far. Ona, New York. It's an eye cream. Can never get enough of eye creams. A lightweight, refreshing eye cream featuring our signature ABC complex infused with peptides and vitamin E. It instantly brightens and reduces the appearance of dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. Designed to give your eyes a well-rested look. Okay, this is how it looks out of the box. I will definitely try this. Okay, what's next? Ooh! An eye brush set? Is this Dew Color? 10-piece eye brush set. Okay. The soft and dense synthetic fibers of these brushes provide you with an incredible touch and feel. This 10-piece rose gold set is the perfect addition to your makeup bag to create any gorgeous eyeshadow look. Okay, let me see what this is giving. Huh. I like this. Okay. Has these brushes. Alright, comes here with some instructions. Alright, so it has a big blending brush, a pointed blending brush, this right here, a tapered blending brush, an eye shading brush, a small blending brush. Okay, I am here for all of these blending brushes. Blending is very important. A small tapered blending brush, a short shader brush, a flat definer brush, a concealer brush, an angled brow brush. I have one more thing in here, and it is a mascara from Bella Pierre. This is a cruelty-free vegan product. See how this looks out of the box. Ooh, nice packaging. Ooh, okay. Okay. I think I would like this mascara. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to try all these products and give you a review. I'm starting here with a clean moisturized face. While using this eye cream, it is lightweight, very moisturizing at the same time. Here we are with this Aqualon matte eyeshadow palette. I really like the colors in this palette. It was very easy to blend. The pigmentation was on point. Very happy with this product. I was also very happy with how the eye brushes performed. Very easy to work with, seemed like it picked up product really well. So this eyeshadow palette, it did have mostly matte colors, but it had a couple of shimmer colors as well. Okay, so now I'm using this Bella Pierre mascara. I mean, it was okay. It's not my favorite. Would I particularly pay $20 for this? No, I wouldn't. But it's not bad. Right here I'm using a MAC lip pencil in the color Night Moth before I apply the liquid lipstick. I'm not sure why I kept saying Rock Chic. It's probably Rock Chic liquid lipstick. Who knows? But I really love this color and I love the applicator. It's very flexible and easy to control. Okay, I am back. I am really loving all of these products. I'm very happy with my subscription. It is a very hot day today. It is very warm outside. I've been to work, came back. Seems like everything is still together. So I'm pleased. I'm very happy. I really like this lipstick color. Rock Chic, I've never heard of it, but I need to look them up, see what else they have. I was very excited to see a whole brush set just for the eyes. I was very excited for that. So I enjoyed using this eye palette. You know, the pigmentation, it's not bad. Everything is still on. You can still see everything. I like these colors. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm really happy. I can't wait to see what the next box will bring. So that's it for my first unboxing of the Beem Box. Make sure you check it out and see if it's something you would be interested in getting. I thank you all for watching and I hope to see you soon. Bye.